Noise Steady, and this piece is titled I'm Talented, I Think, written by myself. What's the difference between a hero and a coward? Nothing. It's what the hero does that makes him a hero. But am I ever gonna make it? I might as well quit. Cause 1,000 likes don't mean shit. And it's 9 to 5 just ain't it. I thought it was insomnia. But I ain't where I wanna be, so that shit keeps me up at night. My auntie said, write what you know, nephew, and think outside the box. Well, if it ain't about love or relationships, I don't know where to start. Ever since I could remember, all I wanted to do was act. Then I started curating and I could have sworn I found my niche. Within that, a few bumps in the road, but my goals never switched. I'm talented, I think. But I'm torn between, it's time to hang it up. Yup. And I refuse to fail. I will prevail, and through it all, I know I can conquer all. They say all in due time. Well, I've been giving my all. When is it gonna be my time? I'm talented, I think.